Hi, all. Welcome to our channel. Any new web pages, any new website, how to index on Google Search Console. So mainly, first of all, coming to the website, we have daily uploading for number of content. So any content you can upload here, copy this URL, copy your search in Google. So right now the Google will be not understand your URL. What we can do the process. That is called any website, their option name is called Google Search Console. When come to Google Search Console, the option name is called URL inspection. When click here, search in this, click your option, they show the web page is URL or not. They give information. URL is not in Google. What we can click for? Requesting to index. So yeah, we are getting problem. Just going to refresh and they start by the indexing procedure. Sometime we will getting error, no need to worry. Just refresh and index will be start on the particular web pages. Any page you uploading, you have using for control F5 will be 3 to 5 times. That compulsory we can utilize. That will be indexing purpose. Control F will be 3 to 5 times. After this one, the first we can start by the request index option. So the procedure will be going file here. So just the file is going to process. It will take time. 1 to 2 minutes of time will be take. So you have to need patience. You can do this option. That is done. Next, text live URL. After text live URL, indexing will be done. They show previous URL is not in Google. Now it's showing URL in Google. Any mobile issue, text issue, everything we understanding by the URL inspection option. This compulsory follow this step and index the every page. So any limit per day. We can add by update by the 10 links, 12 links, 20 also. There's no limit. Up to we can go by the 20. Don't upload more than 20 links. So the link will be updated after refresh. Your update will be here. So they will getting some problem. Mobile usability. Once I click for refresh, maybe the content will be very lightly written here. They fix the problem will be by index. Readable content more important. Crystal can understanding. Use headlines for the each and every content and use a readable purpose. That is the mobile friendly issue. Any content you will be submit, first check it out on Google. This method is not showing below. Refresh and index will be started by the Google Search Console option. This method you compulsory follow each and every web pages. This will be compulsory need to index on Google purpose. The option name is called URL inspection. Finally, URL is available on to the Google option. This procedure will be follow, index the each and every new pages. Any questions you have about Google Search Console, please contact my channel.